And another sub-project that they had and Kidman was into was the Pygmalion project. So I've not had anyone in the world ever say that either, and that was gender reassignment in utero. And that's what Kidman was into.
Pulses 132, BP's 80/35.
Train annual.
2 minutes from separation. Separation data normal.
Thank you, Claire. Start the train on ambulance.
Babies growing in artificial wombs. It's amazing how far science has come.
I would call myself a highly skilled technician. So, are you hoping for a boy or a girl?
You know?
Of course I know. I analyzed the genetic material we took from Joanne. Do you want to know?
Yes.
Before I tell you, I want us to be absolutely clear on what you're asking me to do. You don't understand. I need to hear aloud exactly what you want me to do. It's a legal thing, you understand?
We want you to genetically engineer our unborn child.
Yes, it is a frightening thing. Genetic rejection syndrome is arguably why enhancing engineering is still illegal 30 years after it was developed. Personally, I think it's worth the risk. Now, Joanne, I want you to breathe deeply and stay perfectly still. This is only going to hurt a tiny little bit, and then it's over. Now, all I'm doing is introducing the retroviruses that carry the engineered genetic material into the amniotic fluid. It'll be over before you know it. There. All done.
That's it?
That's it. The lion's share of my work is in the assembly of the gene package. Mother Nature will take care of the rest.
The relevance of the Lucas Heights nuclear reactor, ENSTO, why a nuclear reactor was, why this CIA base was, had a nuclear reactor in it, and why everything was done there, because the relevance of isotopes, the relevance of using radiation in the transhumanism process. So to work with human DNA and stuff it up, basically using, and that's what radiation does. So real grandfather was Polish, and I went and visited him in 1990, and it was just after the wall came down, and Poland looked like an old set of an old black and white movie. It was just terrible. But everywhere I went, like the fruit would be deformed on the trees. The apples had big lumps on them. I go, what's wrong with the apples? And they all go, Chernobyl. All right. And I see, so anyway, I'm sitting there watching the news on this old black and white set. And the next thing, there was this rabbit with bird wings on the news, right? On the news in 1990 in Poland in summer. And I'm there and I'm going to, my whole family were there, and I'm going, what is that? What's that on? What is that? And they go, Chernobyl. So there was all these weird disformed animals and fruit and whatever in Poland because Chernobyl blew all over them, and the radiation effect. So radiation changes genes, your DNA. And that's what they were doing. They were using radiation to rupture the human DNA and do what they want to do with it and combine it with other things and whatever. And write about the rest of it in my book, but yeah.